Hello, my name is Gina. I'm very excited to know that you've found your way to my YouTube channel. Moonstone Mountaineer is a place where I like to share my travels, as well as a place where I get to share any tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. My main focus is with the national parks. However, I do end up exploring quite a few other places that I think you guys will find interesting. I'm what you would call a park hopper, so I've got some pretty unique experiences to share. If you think that you'd be interested in any of this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. Your support really means a lot to me as a small creator. And with that, I thank you for your time. I'm your mountaineer, Gina, and this is Moonstone Mountaineer.